Hello children, today from our science subject we will be continuing our lesson housing and clothing. Okay children, so yesterday we have learnt about natural fibers. No, when we were discussing about the cloths, how are cloths made, so we were learning about natural fibers. No, in this session we will be continuing with man-made fibers. Man-made fibers. Okay, what are fibers children? What are fibers? They are the threads by which the cloth is made. Okay, and fibers manufactured by human beings are called man-made fibers. So how are these fibers manufactured? By human beings, by man. Okay, so we are making the fibers. They have not come from the nature. No, they are not from a plant, they are not from an animal. Okay, so we are manufacturing, we are making them. So that is why we call these fibers as man-made fibers. Clear children? And man-made fibers are also called synthetic fibers. So man-made fibers, they are also called as synthetic fibers. So you are having two names here. One is man-made fibers. You can call these fibers as man-made fibers or synthetic fibers. Okay children? And examples of man-made fibers are polyester and nylon. Polyester and nylon. So these are some fibers which are man-made fibers. Okay, for example, here if you see leggings, like polyester leggings. Now here nylon rope. Now you see, to dry your clothes, to hang our clothes. No, so we use this rope. No, that is nothing but a nylon rope. Okay children, so this is polyester. This cloth is polyester. So you can make many type of dress materials with the polyester material children. Okay, so what are the examples of man-made fibers? They are polyester and nylon. Okay, so here the types of clothes we wear depends on the weather. Yes, do you agree? Yes. So definitely the types of clothes, it depends on the weather. No, how we wear, what we wear, all depends on the weather. Okay, so and what is the weather again? What is the weather? It is the change of the atmosphere, like a day to day, from time to time. No, the change of the atmosphere. Okay children, so in hot or warm weather, people mostly wear light colored cotton clothes, especially in hot or warm weather. So when summer is about to come, so we will be very busy in shopping. No, why? To purchase cotton clothes, because these cotton clothes can tolerate the heat of the sun. Okay, so that is why in hot or warm weather, so we are going to wear light colored, and even in that also, even it is a cotton material, we prefer to wear light colors. Why? Because they are going to absorb the heat. No, we do not prefer the dark colors. So when the weather is hot children, you have to wear light color, especially cotton materials. Clear? And cotton clothes absorb sweat and keep the body cool. So as I said, what happens? If you wear cotton clothes, it is going to absorb the sweat. No, normally we'll use handkerchiefs. And why we use handkerchiefs? Suppose to just swipe the sweat? No. So that handkerchief is also made of cotton cloth. No, why? Because it is cotton, it is going to be easy for us to swipe the sweat. We are going to use the handkerchiefs. No, or else if you wash your hands, to just wipe our hands, we use all cotton napkins. No, so especially cotton will absorb the water. So sweat here is nothing but the water. Okay, no, so this water is coming out from our body. So when you wear cotton clothes, this sweat is absorbed by the cotton cloth and it keeps our body cool. Okay children, and light colored cloths absorb very little heat of the sun and keep the body cool. So along with that, so it is not only absorbing the sweat children, it absorbs very little heat of the sun. It absorbs a little amount of